Hello guys, my name is Zeph. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to export video that's suitable for uploading on YouTube with the help of VLC Media Player. Okay, let's do that. At the first, open VLC Media Player. Then go to Media and Convert. At this window, you should add a file. I have a file here. Select it and open. Next step, you should select on Convert. And here we should select YouTube format. We have two options, HD and SD. I choose HD. Select a destination for save file. And rename a new file. Save. And start. Also, you see here exporting is on processing. Okay, our file saved here. This is a new file and this is an old file. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Have a nice day.